Hi, welcome to our channel, SK Graphics. Today we are going to go over how to use the Curvature Tool. Your Curvature Pen Tool is over on your left-hand side. I've zoomed in on it. It's the little pen tip with the squiggly line. Follow your image. In this case, we have a bird. And you can see it's automatically has a curved line. I've got my solid color, so if you go into one of your color panels, change it to black, or whichever color is easier for you to trace in, and then change that to your stroke. Continue following the edges of your shape, as I said in my case, a bird. Add as many points as you need, just following along your edges. You're able to move your tool. The best place to put your points are on your curves and on your corners. This way you'll get your best flow when you're marking your selections. So I'm just going to finish following my bird on the solid outline, connecting all of them. Once you have them all connected, you can go back and you can select your individual points and just move them where you need them to go. So now I'm going to go on my outside wing and do the same thing, following my curves, selecting them on the endpoints. If you have trouble putting one of your curves on a solid line, if you click on your keyboard Shift and then click your mouse, you'll be able to add your point on top of that other layer. So then you just go in and do some cleanup. Select, in this case, we're going to select our outside. Change some of the curves. If you just individually click on a curve, either select your direct select key, which is off on your left hand side, the solid triangle, or click A on your keyboard. This is a direct select. That way you can go to any one of your curved points. You see the little ball, the little circle, click and drag it out, and this gives you your curves. Then connect all of your pieces. In this case, we're going to select all of the paths that we just made. Do Shift M on your keyboard, and then just run your mouse over those shapes, and you can see that it made one solid shape instead of two different shapes. And that's it. Thank you all for watching our tutorial. If you have any questions, please submit them in the comment box below. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, SK Graphics. Stay tuned for our next tutorial, and always remember, never stop learning.